Hi, Foxy, watch out. You're the tunnel. You're the tunnel.
Oh, Foxy derailed the train. Foxy wrecked it. Uh-oh, Grandma broke it.
Send it back. Send it back.
Yeah, do you like it, Thomas? Do you want to try the train?
Yeah.
You gotta push the button on the top. Here, do you want to try it? You gotta push this button.
Don't step on the track, buddy. Step over it. Good boy.
Choo-choo!
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, it got away! We gotta build some cars for it, Thomas. Let's do the truck.
Uh-oh.
That won't work. Doesn't have the right kind of wheels.
Oh no, just send in the truck.
Mail call.